So we got this question. The slope of the line touching both the parabola this and this. Okay, so touching means what? Again tangent, and slope is what? M. So these guys are interested in finding M. Okay, so can I say that the first parabola is y square equals 4x, second curve is x square equals minus of 32, no, it should be 32y. You can update this question. Okay, so it is minus of 32y. Now, and we have to find slope. So can I go with y equals to mx plus c, and we are interested in finding m. Okay, now look at this. You know that your straight line is tangent to this curve and this curve. So first I'll follow this curve. Okay, so if it is tangent, it should be satisfied at one point. So I'll replace y with mx plus c whole square is equal to 4x. So it is m square x square plus c square plus 2mcx minus 4x is equal to 0. So now I'll write quadratic in x. So m square x square plus, I'll take 2 common, mc minus 2 x plus c square. Okay, so now you can clearly visualize that we got quadratic in x, correct? Now you know that it is a tangent, so d should be 0. So can I go with b square minus 4 ac is equal to 0. So you can divide both side by 4. So it is m square c square plus 4 minus 4 mc minus m square c square is equal to 0. So this thing gone. So can I say that mc is equal to 1? You have already memorized the relationship of tangent a equals to mc. Okay, because it is a standard parabola, so you can use the concept if you have memorized that one. But if you forget this situation, you can follow this part. Okay, so you got one relationship. Now I'll simplify the same straight line with this curve. Okay, so it is x square is equal to minus 32. In place of y, I can go with mx plus c. Okay, so I'll write everything on one side. So x square plus 32mx plus 32c is equal to 0. Is that okay? Now let's simplify, because you got quadratic in x and it is tangent, so d should be 0. So I'll go with b square minus 4ac. So it is b square 32 m square b square minus 4ac 32c. Okay, now can I divide both sides by 32? Yes. Can I divide both sides by 4? 8. So can I write 8m square minus c is equal to 0? So we got two equation, two variable. Now I'll find value of c from this part and I'll substitute here. So who is c? 8m square. C is 1 by m. Okay, so can I write 8m cube minus 1 equals to 0? Okay, you can apply that 2m cube minus 1 cube. So I can go with 2m minus 1 into 2m square. So 4m square plus a square plus b square and then plus ab. So it is 2m. Okay, now If you'll find out root from here, you will get negative d, so you will have no real root. So value of m you will get from here. So value of m is what? 1 by 2. Okay, so the required value of m is what? 1 by 2. I hope the idea is clear.